is Sharmi again from California. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sweet yogurt from my homemade sour yogurt curd in Bangladesh or Kolkata, which is called Mishti Doi. Let's watch.
Add salt and yeast in the warm water to make roti dough. Add yeast water in the flour. Take some any plain yogurt. Now blend the yogurt. Put the roti in the yogurt and cover it and refrigerate it. Take some plain yogurt and strain it to make sweet yogurt. After 24 hours, our sour yogurt curd is ready. Now add it to the strained yogurt. Now you can throw away the bread. Now blend both yogurt properly. Now add 3 cups of milk on a hot pan. Add 1 cup of condensed milk in the milk. Add 1 cup of sugar and some water to caramel it. Add the caramel in the hot milk. Stir it properly until it gets sticky. Now is the most important part where you have to make everything properly. So take 1 cup of sour yogurt that we made before and mix it with caramelized milk. Now blend everything properly. Now cover it and put it in the oven for 2.5 hours at 170 temperature. After that, refrigerate it for 12 hours or less. Then enjoy.